My name is Lannis Donald, and if you're thinking like I'm thinking, that sound clip was just a little bit dramatic for a presentation on OpenQwaq, which, by the way, OpenQwaq is a telepresence technology that we'll be talking about throughout this entire video. But back to that sound clip, it kind of put me in the mind frame of a gladiator entering a coliseum of some sort. And I can assure you that this video is not going to teach you how to become a gladiator, at least not from a physical perspective. But on the flip side, from a business perspective, it's very possible that OpenQwaq can and will allow your company to excel above and beyond its competitors, therefore causing it to be viewed as a gladiator. So, let's take a look at a short video that will help visually illustrate what OpenQwaq is and what OpenQwaq does.
Looking to improve collaboration, communication, and accountability amongst your distributed Agile teams? Hi, this is Keith Wang, Director of Product Management for Teleplace. I'd like to show you a solution for Agile teams which our customers tell us they love. Julie Lemoyne, an Agile coach at Fidelity Investments, has said, "We're looking for a location where we can all be, regardless of where we all are." Well, the space you see in front of you is that location. From this overview, you can see that we're in an extensive outdoor space, and down below us there's a large room containing the central Agile wall with colored sticky notes, large amounts of additional wall space for documents and other content, and multiple breakout rooms. This immersive space allows a team to duplicate what they do in a dedicated physical conference room, but without the physical limitations. On the ready-to-use Agile wall, they can quickly put sticky notes, labels, documents, and applications up. The team owns the room, so no janitor will erase the board, and they'll never have to vacate the room for someone else to use. Agile processes typically involve both short daily stand-up meetings and the extended pre- and post-sprint planning meetings. This room facilitates both types. During brainstorming and negotiation for a sprint, the team can rapidly generate sticky notes to capture stories, ideas, and estimations, even teaming up so that one person can type while others position the notes. The sets of notes can be grouped, copied and pasted, and moved en masse from the planning areas to the current sprint wall. During daily stand-ups, the team can gather around the Agile wall and see the state of the project. By simply clicking the signs, zooming in to see detail or zooming out to see the whole wall is quick and easy. The Scrum Master can take everyone along together, or individuals can choose for themselves where to look from and what to pay attention to. For example, one person can be checking a requirements document in Agile management systems such as Rally, while another is pulling up an error screenshot from the bug tracking system, and the rest are conferring on the blocked section of the Agile wall. Viscerally seeing each other move notes, for example from in progress to testing or down to the blocked area, is a key part of accountability in Agile. In Teleplace, you not only see this literally, but video and audio session recordings allow folks not present to catch up on the whole experience later. For more detailed story tracking, topic cards allow comments from individual users to be tracked over time. Requirements documents, spreadsheets, shared browsers, movies, and other content can all be placed alongside the sticky notes for easy reference and comparison, and anyone can edit and control these documents and applications. Pair programming in breakout rooms and full team code reviews use live shared browsers and proprietary applications including your favorite editor or IDE, such as Eclipse, NetBeans, or VI. Everyone can see and point to things independently. During retrospectives, the history of the room and indeed the state of the room during previous sprints can be called up. Rooms are versioned, so intermediate states can be recalled and examined, or restored to recover from inappropriate changes. Each team can have its own room, and the room design itself can be modified and expanded to fit new processes. The team decides what each area of the room is for. Learn more at our website at teleplace.com. Thanks for watching.
So you might be scratching your head right now because I told you that I was going to show you a video on OpenQwaq. But in actuality, that video was labeled Teleplace. Well, Teleplace was bought out in 2011 by a company and was simply renamed OpenQwaq with no changes to the format. So although that video was labeled Teleplace, it is in actuality a video about OpenQwaq. So let's take a look at some of the functional benefits that are associated with using OpenQwaq. First, let me say that OpenQwaq is a very easy program to use. Instead of taking hours to be able to learn and to be able to functionally manage OpenQwaq, it only takes minutes to complete this task. Some of the functional benefits are that it allows for screen sharing from many different venues, such as remote screen sharing, or integrated shared web browsers, and shared whiteboards, so that everybody can get a feel of what's going on in the session that you are conducting. It also allows multiple video conferencing and voice and webcam chat for whoever's present in the OpenQwaq forum. OpenQwaq also allows the easy import of images, video files, PDF files, and all sorts of other types of files. They're easily uploaded and easily shared within OpenQwaq. OpenQwaq also allows the interactive, collaborative editing of documents. A single person is not solely in charge of uploading or editing documents in OpenQwaq. Other individuals can access those documents as well as edit those documents. OpenQwaq is a powerful meeting and session management tool. The sessions can be recorded and or streamed out via webcast in the case that someone is unable to make the OpenQwaq session. They can access that at a later date. It's also important to note the asterisk there at the bottom of the page that all of the data that is uploaded or input into OpenQwaq is encrypted, so you can assure that your business information is kept private. So let's look at the big picture. Let's say you are a project manager employed by Apple, and you have a project that you want to have implemented that is based upon using OpenQwaq. How exactly do you go about getting each chief executive officer to be interested in your project, and most importantly, support and back that project? And you can see here in the bottom of the screen there's a bullet that states that you should use the KPI for each CXO as leverage, because each CXO is driven by their KPI, their key performance indicator. So if you can clearly communicate with each CXO that your project that is based upon using OpenQwaq will cause that CXO to be more easily able to meet his or her KPI, then that CXO is going to be most likely in support of your project implementation. So let's take a look at each of the CXOs and how we can go about getting their support of our project implementation using OpenQwaq. It's absolutely imperative that you know that the KPI for the VP of Sales is making sales quota. That is the number one thing that drives the VP of Sales. So the question is, how will sales increase by using OpenQwaq? You must communicate with the VP of Sales that sales will increase because OpenQwaq allows for the collaboration of ideas from different locations. For example, if there's a team located in California and there's a team located in Germany, OpenQwaq will be able to bring both of those teams together in a forum that will allow for the collaboration of their ideas, which will better the products that we're offering. Secondly, it allows for ease of communication for the salesperson to the customers who are also geographically separated. This will cause an increase in sales contacts and hopefully finalizing those sales. The Chief Marketing Officer is most interested in increasing market share. So how exactly will market share increase by using OpenQwaq? Based upon the increase in sales, it may be that your new customers have left your competition, thereby increasing your market share. Due to OpenQwaq's new forged pathway to increase team collaboration and increased communication to new customers will cause an increase in market share due to new customers. The Chief Operations Officer is most concerned with improving customer satisfaction. So how will customer satisfaction improve by using OpenQwaq? OpenQwaq allows for direct communication with customers, thereby increasing customer satisfaction. Also, OpenQwaq could possibly eliminate mundane operations such as customers having to call a call center, thereby increasing customer satisfaction. The Chief Financial Officer is most concerned with increasing corporate profits. So how will corporate profits increase by using OpenQwaq? First of all, based upon the increase in sales and market share, it is possible that corporate profits will also increase. Secondly, OpenQwaq eliminates unnecessary travel expenditures, which will increase the corporate profits. The Chief Information Officer is primarily concerned with increasing business value. So how will business value be increased by using OpenQwaq? OpenQwaq will eliminate outdated technologies that require costly updates. Secondly, OpenQwaq utilizes a centralized location of business activities and reports, thereby increasing strategic business value. Lastly, the Chief Executive Officer is most concerned with increasing the company's stock price. So how exactly will the company's stock price increase by using OpenQwaq? Due to the increases in all the other CXO KPIs, it is most likely that the company's stock price will also increase. With our rise in efficiency, customer satisfaction, etc., stockbrokers will most likely recommend customers to purchase stock in our company, thereby increasing earnings per share and increases in potential shareholders of the company's stock. So, as you can see, there are many business advantages to using OpenQwaq. One of the biggest advantages is an increased communication throughout the entire company, as well as an increased time management, because you can be in places that you can't be physically when using OpenQwaq. It also allows for an increased collaboration and faster decision making, as well as global sourcing. All are advantages of using OpenQwaq that will propel your business to new heights. So in conclusion, I hope this video has helped you to see the benefits of OpenQwaq, and if you want to take your business from status quo and elevate it to gladiator status, then I recommend implementing OpenQwaq.